You've just entered the no delusion zone. I'm DeBatto. Today, I want to focus on a relatively brief topic. It has to do with the crimes that have been and are currently being committed by those in charge of our government, allegedly. And that government would be the oligarchy of the United States of America, formerly the Constitutional Republic of the United States of America, but no longer. We are now in the 20th day of the new oligarchy, which is being run by oligarchs, by billionaire, insane oligarchs, unelected, unvetted, and unsuitable oligarchs, led by the insane oligarch of them all, Elon Musk. And he is one of the focus points of today's video. Elon Musk and his criminal minions, the 19 to 25-year-old hackers, the Silicon Valley tech bros that have broken into and seized all of the major databases and virtually all the federal institutions, the federal government agencies, are guilty of some crimes, as well as, of course, the felon-in-chief, Donald Trump. And those crimes are, and I will read, for starters, Title 18, USC 2384. Seditious conspiracy. If two or more persons in any state or territory or in any place subject to the jurisdiction of the United States conspire to overthrow, put down, or to destroy by force the government of the United States, or to levy war against them, or to oppose by force the authority thereof, or by force to prevent, hinder, or delay the execution of any law of the United States, or by force to seize, take, possess any property of the United States contrary to the authority thereof, they shall each be fined under this title or imprisoned for not more than 20 years, or both. That is seditious conspiracy. Now, both Elon Musk, his criminal associates, and Donald Trump, and anyone else in his criminal cabal who gave him permission to do this, meaning Trump, are guilty, number one, of seditious conspiracy. That is my opinion. I am not a legal expert, but I'm going to quote a legal expert who knows a little bit about this in just a moment. So stand by on that one. The next crime that we're talking about here, hold on, that would be the same USC, Title 18 USC. This one is 2385, advocating overthrow of the government. It's a good one. Whoever, knowingly or willfully, advocates, abets, advises, or teaches the duty, necessity, desirability, or propriety of overthrowing or destroying the government of the United States or the government of any state, territory, district, or possession thereof, or the government of any political subdivision thereof by force or violence or by the assassination, there's no assassination going on here, or whoever, with intent to cause the overthrow or destruction of any government in the United States by force or violence, or attempts to do so, or whoever organizes or helps to organize any society, group, or assembly of persons who teach, advocate, or encourage the overthrow or destruction of any such government by force or violence, or becomes or is a member of or affiliates with any such society, group, or assembly of persons, knowingly for the purposes thereof, blah, blah, blah. You can read it. I'm going to post it in this video. This is a major felony, obviously, advocating the overthrow of the government. And that's exactly what's going on here. And if you don't believe me, and only MAGA and people who believe in MAGA and people who hate America, hate democracy, love dictatorships and authoritarianism, love Trump, are members of a cult and have their heads firmly shoved up their ass to the point that they don't know even who they are. Only those kinds of people would not believe that some major crimes have been and are being committed right now in the oligarchy of the United States by Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and everyone within MAGA, within the fascist government who was aiding and abetting them. And I'm just going to close this out with a quote from someone who does know a little bit about this, and that would be Laurence Tribe. Laurence Tribe is a professor emeritus from Harvard University and one of the most or foremost legal scholars on the Constitution of the United States. Professor Tribe has argued dozens of cases before the U.S. Supreme Court successfully, and his specialty is the U.S. Constitution. And just today, Professor Tribe said, quote, "We, the United States, are in a 5-alarm fire of a constitutional crisis. This is a coup." End quote. That's from Laurence Tribe, constitutional scholar, someone who knows a little bit about the Constitution of the United States, not the MAGA blowhards who don't know anything, who've never read the Constitution, who've never read the Federalist Papers, who in fact are functionally illiterate most of the time. We are witnessing an ongoing coup against the Constitution, against the people of the United States, by Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and all those within the fascist MAGA Republican Party who are aiding and abetting him in this effort. I don't believe they're ever going to be investigated, arrested, or convicted of these crimes. And there's many, many more, by the way. They are daily committing federal felonies. Again, I don't believe they're going to be investigated, indicted, or convicted of these crimes because they control the courts. They control the FBI. They control the major federal investigative agencies in the United States. That does not take away or alleviate the fact or negate the fact that they are committing many, many serious felonies against the people of the United States. And this will not stand. This will not stand. That's all I have to say for today. This is the voice of the opposition. The No Delusion Zone is one of the few. There are several of us, but not a lot. This channel, one of the few voices of the opposition to MAGA, to Trump, to Elon Musk, and the destruction of the constitutional republic, the democracy that used to be the United States of America. Please, if you do not support what is going on here, if you do not support Elon Musk being the shadow president of the United States, if you hope to someday soon get our government back to where it belongs, to the people, and not MAGA, to the people, then support this channel so I can continue to make more videos like this, so I can continue to organize the voice of the opposition. Subscribe. Tell other people to subscribe. Go to buymeacoffee.com and buy me a coffee. This is critically important, folks. I thank you. And as always, you take care, stay safe, and stay sane.